Yeah. You look like Teen Wolf's coke dealer. That's a compliment. You do look, yeah, okay. Now, Dylan, I did notice there's a little scratch on your forehead. What's that from?
I hit myself with a door.
Why did your voice change, Dylan? Are you morphing into the wolf as we speak? Dylan, oh shit. I need this laugh on record. Keep laughing. Dylan, thanks for coming out, but shut the fuck up. You're scaring me, Dylan. You can't have that beard and that laugh. Pick one, motherfucker. Holy shit. Okay.